When talking about the ISO 26262 standard, the qualification of software tools is always a critical topic. But how can we actually qualify the tool? My name is Markus from Berlin, and today I'm happy to be here in Detroit with my colleague Jason to discuss this topic. Hi Jason.
Hi Markus, and welcome to the US. Let's talk about what tool qualification really means. It's a process described by the ISO standard that has to be performed typically at the beginning of a project or a process by the actual tool user to create the needed confidence in the tool. So how do we get that, Markus?
Well, in most cases you create a validation suite, meaning a collection of data which is representative for the way you plan to use the tool. And then you use this data to systematically test that the tool provides the correct output before you start the project.
Well, that sounds like a lot of work. Isn't there something the tool provider can do to make our lives easier?
So yes, some tool providers give their customers something which is called a qualification kit, or sometimes they sell it. And this is sort of the starting point for the customer to build up his validation suite and run it. But the question is, how can we make sure that the actual content of this qualification kit is in line with the standard?
Well, I guess that's why some tool providers have gotten certification for their qualification kit from a reliable organization like the German TÜV. But even in this case, there seems to be a ton of work on the customer side.
Yeah, right. And this leads us to scenario number 4, which is the tool provider actually provides a certified tool. So no qualification kit which needs to be run on the customer side. The tool itself is qualified.
So this fourth scenario is obviously the one that requires the least effort on the customer side, right?
Yes, exactly. It's a pre-qualification for the tool, and if the customer works in a supported environment, meaning officially supported versions of MATLAB, Windows, etc., we can pretty much eliminate the tool qualification effort on the customer's side.
Well, that sounds great. Then thanks for watching. Which strategy are you currently applying in your projects? Please let us know in the comments below. Make sure you give us a like. Thanks very much for watching.